Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to build a computer with a quick example. Let's have a look at this example. Over here I have a customer whose name is Piper and she needs a new computer. She says, "Hello, I need a computer. Assemble me a new computer that will meet the following requirements." And the requirements are power supply should be at least 400 watts, PC purpose should be for games, CPU manufacturer she wants it from the Intel. So you have to choose the PC components when you're buying or purchasing accordingly. If you are not sure, please Google and find the requirements to build a PC for gaming or work purpose. Let's have a look. You will need a motherboard from Intel as per the customer need. Choose accordingly and make sure the motherboard purpose should be only for the gaming purpose, and make sure to choose the correct chipset suitable for the motherboard you have chosen. Also choose the different other components like RAM, video card, hard drive, power supply, and many more. First, let's have a look at the motherboard diagram and different types of motherboards. Please use V-strap while building a PC. First, choose a PC case, then assemble the chipset onto the motherboard and place the motherboard into the PC case and tighten all the surrounding screws. Please assemble chipset into the motherboard very carefully as it is very sensitive. The pins might break, so be careful while you're assembling chipset into the motherboard. Tighten all the screws and fit the motherboard into the case. Please assemble chipset into motherboard chipset slot very carefully. Next step is to install RAM and the video cards. It's very simple to install the RAM into the motherboard RAM slot and the video card as well. And then the next step is to install the hard drive. Connect the hard drive to the motherboard using SATA cables. And then fix the hard drive into the PC case. Then connect the power supply to the motherboard and fit the fan onto the chipset slot and connect it to the power supply, and then make sure you just tie all the wires which have been just lying all over. It is very important to connect a fan onto the chipset so that your computer won't heat up and you won't have a problem later on. So it's very simple to build a PC. Make sure you know why you need a PC, whether it is for a gaming purpose or for a work purpose, and then build it accordingly. Later, once you're done with the full assembly, plug the power supply cord into the socket and then turn it on. You can install Windows 10 or different other softwares according to the customer need. If you have any doubts, don't forget to Google and find the solution for it. That's the best way to learn. Different types of components are available at different cost and with different manufacturers. Choose accordingly and according to your budget. Isn't it that simple to build a PC? Are you still confused? Okay, that's absolutely fine. Let's have a look at one more example which is similar to previous one. Always remember to choose the motherboard and the chipset as suitable to each other, and choose the power supply according to the power rating of the motherboard. Now, after assembling all the components, connect it to the monitor and switch it on. Later, you can install the software you want. I will show you how to install Windows 10 and different softwares in my next video. Just to be on safe side while assembling a PC, make sure you will always use a waist strap. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment and let me know any questions you'll have about the computer repair and I will help you. Thank you for watching my video.